Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be working on this tag today. I've had a lot of commenters on some of my tag videos saying I needed tag lights, that was illegal. Modifying the tag is illegal. I guess in reality that is so. They don't bother me in my area. I'm around cops all the time. They never say anything about my tag. But I'm going to show you today what I'm going to try to do to solve the tag light problem if you do a custom tag like this right here. So let's get to it. So I got on Amazon and I got me a silicone tag cover. I'll try that out. It wasn't much. I want to see what this is all about. If I like it, I'll leave it on. If I don't, I'll take it off and store it in trash. So that should fit on and fit nicely. I'll get it put on the tag. I gotta take my weather stripping off the back, and we'll see how well it fits. So I got the silicone tag cover on. Man, it fits great. I'm going to put that on. I'm going to leave that on because I do like it. Yeah, that's going to be nice right there. Alright, the tag lights I got are these little stainless steel, look like little, I don't know, almost like a bullet. I just thought they looked pretty nice. That's the ones I'm going to try to see if I can get going. So the one thing I don't like about them is that the wires go through the tag. Of course, it's got to go in the tag somewhere. But I'm just going to mount these inside the Jeep, and I'm going to hardwire these in, and so if I get ready to take the tag back off, this is going to pose a little bit of an issue. So if I have to take the tag off one time and I've got these hardwired in, I will put a quick disconnect on these, but as of right now, I'm not going to do that. And it has a little Teflon nut that goes on the back side to keep everything in place. Alright, that one's installed. Now all I gotta do is wire it up. I'm gonna get this other one installed. All right, there's the job done. I'll come back tonight and cut the headlights on. We'll see what that looks like. For now, I'm going to shut the garage door, and we'll see what it looks like in the dark of the garage. So it's actually kind of hard to tell because it's still bright in here. I'll come back at dark. I can put my fingers down here and I can see everything illuminated all the way down to the bottom. I believe the tag light's going to be lit up enough that you're going to be able to read it without any extra light on it at all, like from car lights or anything, just out in the dark. I pulled it out in my yard tonight in the pitch black, and we'll see what it looks like then. And if it's able to be able to read all the letters and numbers, we should be good to go. All right, guys, it is pitch black in my garage. I'm going to cut the headlights on. We're going to see if the tag lights will illuminate the tag. Yes, that does illuminate the tag. You can read the tag, every letter, every number. So that's the win right there. I'll leave the link to the silicone tag cover and these lights in the description of this video. If y'all want those, just check them out. I am a member of Amazon Associates, so if you click on the link, it will help support my channel. That's a good way to help support my channel. Guys, check out the Jeep pics. It's going to come up in just a minute. I thank y'all for stopping by today and watching. I thank you for coming week after week, checking out these videos. Y'all come back next time, we'll see what we got going then.